Good evening, y'all. Crystal here with It's a Journaling Thing and Journaling Adventures, Paper, Scissors, Glue, and You. You can find both here on YouTube and both on Facebook. We would love for you to come and join our group. And if you like what you see, of course, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button. I wanted to come on here and share real quick, quick flip through of my bugs, birds, and butterflies. It's a junk journal that I've been working on for a little while, and I think I've got it pretty stuffed, so I wanted to share it with all of you all. I did some twine binding, and twine binding I think is probably my favorite. It's easy. And you can take pages in and you can take pages out. The only thing is it does, sometimes your pages will slide up and down, but I just straighten them back up. So it's no big deal for me. Alrighty, so I've just got birds and bugs and butterflies just throughout the whole book. I've got some coffee dyed paper in here. Some of these pretty little papers. Plenty of pockets with some bugs, birds, and butterfly info. And some book pages that have been coffee dyed. You can still smell the coffee as I'm flipping through here. I can smell it, and I love it. Here is a pocket with a tag on it. It's got a bird on there. And then here is sort of like a specimen pocket type idea. It's got a butterfly tucked in. And this right here flips out. I did some doodling it down some of the pages. These two flip up. And then here's a pocket. It's got a butterfly tucked in. And here's a pocket with a butterfly paper tucked in there. And this is just a little card. It's got some info on it. And then here's a card that's got different types of eggs on there. And I just glued these big eggs right here and just made that kind of like a tuck spot. And here's a border of bugs. And here's a little pocket. It's got some bugs and butterfly pictures on there. And we've got this with all kinds of bugs and butterflies. This flips over. And then here's just a little card tucked in there. A little card in there. I got this butterfly card. And here is a butterfly border. And here's a pocket with 3 cards in it. It's got birds on there. And this flips up with the little bird hiding behind it. And here I did some more doodling around the page. I think that makes it look so good sometimes. And then here's a bug trail. And then here's a little tuck spot with a little bird peeking out. Here's a pocket, and it's just got some little specimen cards on there. The dragonfly up in the corner. Then here's some pretty vellum with the big butterfly, or that may be a moth, maybe, I think. And then here's some bugs on there. Then I just used this bird's nest, and I glued it just on the back of it, and so I can just tuck this little bird in there. And then this right here folds out. I put a bird and a butterfly on there to go along with the name of my journal. And then here's just some more little informational cards. Got some page tabs on here. Here's another pocket with another bird peeking out. And then I just put this in there. This is paper that I jazzed up with some sprays, and I just tucked that in there. And then here is sort of a little waterfall writing pad. There's another card with some bugs on there. And I got this card with all kinds of butterflies and moths and everything on there, tucked into this belly band. This butterfly's done fell out of its pocket. But it was tucked right there in that. Then we have another page tab. Some more little birds. Then I did another butterfly border. And these flip out. And then there's the back inside cover. Then I've just got a spider on the back there and a dragonfly there. Some flowers down the spine of it just to decorate it up a little bit. But that's all for my bugs, birds, and butterflies journal. I hope you all like it, and if you do like it, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I'm glad you all are here with me on my journey. So let's go over and say hi to the Kipper. He's laying in his chair in front of the window. He's sleepy. Say thank you again, guys, for supporting my mommy's channel. We love y'all. Okay, y'all, that's it for now. And we'll see you all in my next video. Y'all have a good weekend.